So the following clip is us talking about sex education, and we thought it was important to talk about. It was unplanned, so it abruptly cuts off because we decide to talk about something else, or we just get distracted and talk about something else rather. So yeah, that's it. Enjoy. Okay, so we'll now talk about a taboo topic. We'll talk about our education system and how it fails at educating us about ourselves, our bodies, sex, and the bodies of the other gender.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll tell this. Okay. So they teach us about ourselves, like what's gonna happen through puberty. But it's just one class that we take in like eighth or sixth. I don't
We took
know.
one in sixth. We took one in eighth. We were supposed to take one in 12, but we never did.
Yeah. So it was. I literally did not know anything about menstruation. I did not know it existed. So I'll tell this one story where I was we there was an assembly going on, right? We had to sit on the floor and shit. And I'm a rebellious kid, so I was like, "Oh, why does that person get to sit on the freaking stool thing, and I get to sit on the floor?" And then I was like, "Let me sit there also. There is space." And then the teacher was like, "No," and I was like, Why? Because it didn't make sense to me. Why do people get privilege?" And then the girl was, she literally, she didn't understand that I did not know about menstruation and stuff, so she screamed at me. She's like, "A period होते हैं समझ नहीं आती." And I was like, what's happening?
Got the period, man.
I know it was very awkward, and I was like, "What is periods?"
Thank you.
And then after that, I learned about it through the internet, out of all places. So it was very awkward, and I think in that way the education system has failed me personally.
Yeah. Wait.
So your
Talk
turn.
about, yeah.
Uh, yeah, so like fortunately, I have never encountered with such thing because I guess one way or the other, even because of friends, having friends that are having female friends, and I like not genuine, not basically about periods, but everything related to like the other sex. Uh, you know how ironical it is that they want like the entire year they will degrade the how it's normal for like okay, this is so I have to be so politically correct right now because I don't know what to say.
You can say anything.
No, I'm not I don't I
It will be a nice video or a content.
I come with peace, but yeah, I don't have any controversial opinion.
Genuine.
But like yeah, about school, like how school is, it पूरे साल they'll be like, oh, girl boy cannot talk to each other, fuck them and fuck you, and then the next day they will be like, oh, come sex ed class, come sit. Like they will in a way, I cannot find the word, but they'll just say fuck you to the normal things that are around us. Be the basic part being interaction between a girl and boy.
Yeah.
Even if a girl and boy interacts, they'll be like, oh, कुछ चल रहा होगा उनका भैया नहीं है. Like that's the whole point of it. How they are always उनकी नाक अपने काम के अलावा बाकी सब जगह थी. I'm not talking about teacher. I'm just talking about general people and how our school was. And it is true. It's sad that it's true. And I'm sorry if I'm hurting anyone, but yeah. I don't want to. Yeah, as I said, I come in peace. But school has had a reputation of interfering with matters of other people,
Yeah.
and it's not only maybe it's our school, but I don't know what other schools, but that's what I saw in our school that.
Relative to other schools, our school is like a proper like school.
It should it's not like
It scares me how the government schools and the schools that are not as well funded, how they handle this type of education.
Yeah, like
like it must have been like a normal. They do, but it's like very very casual. Like, come for sex ed class.
ninth class की लड़कियां
10th या 11th क्लास के लड़कों के साथ नहीं हैंग आउट कर सकते.
But that's a different thing, man. That's a whole thing, you know. It's
But from my perspective, it was like that. Okay, you know, I was new.
it was in a way they tried to make it that way because I mean, see, that's another topic about why people from our class should not date, for girls of our class should not date boys of higher grades. Because it's very weird. Because let's talking about that. Let's talk about that. Because see, I have seen people getting into relationships that are like 5 year age difference.
5.
Like okay, not 5 but 4 to 5.
That's a lot.
7 year age difference.
You are 7 years, 7 years.
You did?
No, not Dhruv.
मतलब ये छोटा कोई बहुत बड़ा.
Referring to someone we know.
7 year. Okay, but yeah. So the boy is generally older, but like, damn.
17 and 25.
17 and 25.
The boy is 25.
Bro, it's little predator shit, dude. It's predator shit.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
हाँ पता चल गया मुझे बड़ी.
It's sad.
That is okay, but yeah, that's the point. Like you have not matured. Like I mean, it's not their fault. It's not the girl's fault.
Or
I
the
mean,
woman.
okay, yeah, I'm not gonna
Older
say,
person's
but even if if your intentions are genuine,
Yeah.
if you don't want to hurt anyone, why? It's like just straight up weird till the point. I mean, okay, like I know there's this very weird quote. Age is just a number. Yeah, and pedophilia is a crime. Yeah,
A 25-year-old boy dating a 17-year-old.
it's still weird because she's underage. There is even maturity as a concept. Like see, I can be 7. Like okay, I'm not saying like some ex person can be 17, but they can be mature.
Yeah, and
They will have that certain set of mindset ki हाँ I know what's right and what's wrong, but that depends on the environment they have grown up
A
in.
girl can be easily manipulated.
Yeah, that's the point. Yeah,
Because he is more mature.
or it doesn't depend on the gender. It
people
depends on the age.
there are 50-year-olds that are committing crime. Do you think they're mature and stuff? Yeah.
It's scary and it's like I don't know what the school's supposed to do in that as like there is a certain level of responsibility that even society has to take in educating their upcoming generation about how to have good social practices, how to interact with others.
You know what the school does? They just they just like give you a sentence that no is a sentence. But mainly you should ask questions. Like
Yeah.
how, why.
Yeah.
You need
In
help.
it-
A
yeah.
statement closes the mind, a question opens the mind.
Yep. So yeah, so our society doesn't allow us to ask questions.
That is
It- that-
mainly you